Yaba mo nyina kwa babiem emfa emra bedwam jumere so on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119, Multi TV Digi Box and so live. And so we are streaming live on Facebook. So search it for Adom TV. Adom TV. And I say Adom TV Extra. Adom TV Extra. On YouTube, Adom TV. TikTok, Adom_TV. And Australia, Adom TV. All other social media platforms, you know, so yo. More especially, see, we see here, you putting it together in an audio form near the top podcast. What you be we na person and the bedroom the coin. Over to me, podcast no search for Adom TV. Ubo Adom TV na no abo bedroom as also, and you get every production of bedroom on our podcast channel. I repair as well, na also Odeba Bedi and Komone and a pain. Mame for happy birthday, Cassia, and call from okay, hey, as I told my this year, Pastor Chief Mensa, aka Sofu Chief, ya free Asante Mampong. So, Yamia Sumji and cow. We free Wankasa over osmosis, Adom. Sofu Chief, so penny of that Mighty Chapel International, and a castle of Chief, a moment Kai Asante Mampong, at the Midway Hotel and not tired in Shemu. On a powerful afternoon services here now or so we are proud of you, Sofu. Pastor Chief Mesa, aka Sofu Chief. We are grateful for your life. But before I transfer on paper bedi and combo, the whom you have a watch, yeah, you sure? Yeah, for phone, let's frame it.
Martin, you're on point.
Okay.
You're on point.
Money.
Pescani.
And a padi Cocoa City.
Cocoa City.
Ada Bukrum. Sefi.
Oh, Sefi also Sefi Yamacha. Ye wo Swaman.
Okay.
Me wo Dadie so Bodi Debiso Esem. So when the major towns in Western North region.
Oh, okay.
No one say Western North region no the cocoa capital of Ghana. Tini friend Cocoa City no. And an first no so any identity because na region be any ho. MPP Adaroma and the create Western North region. This who say me shatadi we are na me share the account for MPP aban so my Western North region. And my identity. Say be ade obi betimi dia ma wa ne so be ma wo a unique identity. Nti say me tie obi wura ha woni me din. Ti din a ye body frɛ wo de aya ehu hia pa. Ti say enya din a ye de frɛ ye de na ama sehwiman ye nyina ne brusa man ye hu say se ya de ye nso se bi ye che national cake no ho ne ye frɛ region fo a ye ka ho bi de na wo say de aseda e de ma NPP aban ene na na de dankwakufu ado. So hu say me se Cocoa City a na just say a gratitude that may catch say a crew year wo e wo manim nyina say mredu say e was nyina so ye kai MPP aban e bi esi pen 1988 after the creation oh nye baby ana ye twa cocoa na gu na still crampon we are still producing cocoa so be kai on say 9 districts in Western North.
Is a motwa cocoa nyina gu abde ye gala
twa cocoa ni nyina ngu ye obi hintwa cocoa bi ngu ye don't say 9 districts on
okay
7 mine and Koso
and what hefa
Western North
9 districts in Western North
region
okay
7 practice active mining
okay
2 mining bi any ho bia east bia west
Bia East ni Bia
West ye nya mine
and gold ni bi ni ho
gold ho pa and gold ho
and boys nimpe
the boy boys ni pe na emum no nkomena no kra wo mbom wie na ya ka che wo se jai
say amana na obetu ade you go na free mbom wie
say ye wo bibi e body testing ye fe no nkomena wo betu no tia nti ko si gravel no so a na we gravel no yi gravel na fe wo yam we na body test na be cho say asase we gold o man as a gold nim no one say ye honom no so swampy areas nti no I say be a machine no ye dua emonko anti hu mufo no kra hu say wo bon komena na no mo di kan be ka kire ye so be ka kire ya ye ade a community ye decide say ye mpe galamsey nti ye na asomani be di enim ye DC Bernard Blay be ka ho me asome dimbi NDC MPP ye na eba mu as one na ya ka kire say jai because me pass so to Cocoa 1974 eno na ode ahwe me a me wi school me nya adwuma bi anya na me to Cocoa tieno an ye dia hwe ya na mencha de se cocoa bo so kosoro kakra mun se kuta 8 acre cocoa farm na wo hwe so yi a obetimi anya about 50 bags of cocoa per the year. 250 bags of cocoa times 3,000 it is 1.5 billion. Nti yeso echemu miensa question ni dia baako na cocoa farmer dia mienu. Nti chese wo farmer no nko ano wo 8 acre farm na to me hweso yi a obenya 1 billion afi bia megide se adidi preko adidi da ho yesi adidi preko. Nti se yetimi maintain ye cocoa ni nasefo na bebo ntu ba ye ho no ma yempotem ho a yenye sa galamsey ni sa de ni bi ho
yenye mining crowd so for Bia East, Bia West,
yes,
there's no mining and a collective by the community say
sanity say ye die pen no so what you say and nti na nam so ma when these galamsey issues e ba so nyina na maybe am better na make say galamsey to fight it a community led.
Okay,
so what you say one nye the community led na say o ye wadwen say wo beye bibi ni we a emfa and nti na would have been maybe a better one because midway never who says Kufuor declares war, but the approach
George
is quite
Alex
different.
Money, member of the NPP National Communications Team, and also Deputy Secretary to the NPP or Western North Region. Chris Dugan, a member of the NDC National Communications Team. But congrats and confirm Philip Osei-Bonsu. And the 11th day of October 2024, you're calling to the bar. After and I saw a year 1 Philip Osei-Bonsu Esquire episode so Obi congrats yede yame say usimu no wabamamu na ade aba awiepa once again congratulations Grace
Nenia abezi
ekoye
wow he na ekoye ma minchia Ghana for na minchia one wapamfo na minchia the good people of AAK Abwa Asebo Kwamankasi na minchia mi am immediate boss Honorable Felix Ofosu-Kwadi the next MP
for
AAK
oh okay
in Central Region na minchia the next president of the Republic John Dramani Mahama
the next
president of the Republic Bibian Sisa.
The next commander-in-chief.
I am Mr. Bibian Sisa.
John Dramani Mahama.
Nobody can do anything about it.
Wow.
Yes. It is a
prophetic
decision.
Prophetically settled.
Any man or woman who attempt
to
stop this decision will be crushed. So let me say very good morning to the next president, John Dramani Mahama. And Napam Fonina and the good people of our great party NDC, from the national chairman to the last person, the Michio Munina. You don't need me to sit here and tell you, say, Kui and I and Kui.
Okay.
What is more disheartening, say, we or mine? Na ubasu bibia hwa insu kaka ubanun krambo say a problem. What is more disheartening than that? So Nkweyi Nkweyi kase Nkweyi it's not just by mouth. There are evidence utimi kire win ti Nkweyi na obi a ye na kwaka for bi atunu say asem a wuki enye say draw ana otan
okay
some a hia some a na kwatro do Nkweyi na wo Nkweyi ma I'm asking you Baku ka asem a nipa baku ka asem a na obeto so mi no the response na ebe ma obi ahun say asem a nipa eke na kura na anya na kura so you are second person to what I am saying Ekweyi ma
okay so let me your question now here so in generality oman mu nyina Nkweyi
I'm asking if water do you know that water is life
yes
so we lose bibia na obe lose nsu a Ekweyi ma
wawie
eti say nipa wanya wiase nyama nyina na wo ahore wonkwa na wanya so when you are losing your water na wo kokese Ekweyi a na ewusu hu ehu I believe say sabun some crampo nim say MPP aben we this disaster baby a odi aba bedru na Nkweyi it's not about say you create region more be you create district more be if you are given a house and you don't have water to drink in that house, what's the essence of giving that, giving you that house? You are not region. Unyaji. Say. Anyway, I'm not from a cocoa grown area. Okay. But I've lived in this country. We grew up with people from those areas. Some our brothers, our comrades, me and my families. And to better no I cocoa duma, and we know. Na nimsa no mu asitena city. And now I am a region asitena to say. If you are a cocoa farmer, you are from those areas. Now we need region, no. Opa fertilizer akoye wefua. Na aban eso ase MOB. Na ya more region. Na fertilizer no crop ye the funu kompo sabi ekoton baby na wubra. What is the essence of that? And I'm happy that the good people of Western North are wise enough. They cannot be April Fool. And what the areas are able constituencies, it belongs to NDC.
Western North constituencies.
Would they check? Constituencies are moving him for the MPs near him for MPs. I don't know NDC MPs. Are they not NDC MPs?
Yeah.
It tells you that Sir never will know. Sir Adanku Dada be Sir never will. The people are white, they are not buying to it. These regions were created before 2020 elections, isn't it? So what happened? So Omuka said that within that short period can make an impact in elections. What happened? Look, Onipa Sitina here pay. Mr. Obia Obaka said never koyi. No we are you know it and I know it.
Senema koyi no.
You know it and I know it. You don't need me to tell you. Yes, form. Who they see for him here and bisa nipa ted and then makoya and then response no. You gather that those samples, now they are your pools. Look, maybe I drew say no. We have gone beyond this body politicking. Let us move from body politicking to the reality to save this country.
Okay. So now discussing the reality.
Ghana, we cannot save our country until we move from this body politics.
That's the NDC, MPP, NDC, MPP.
It's not about, you see, you guys must stop this.
Okay.
You guys must stop this. Anything that is happening, the failure of this government, just because of hypocrisy, this is the NDC, but we've been out of office for 8 good years, for Christ's sake. You were part. What? Because you are a Ghanaian, you were part of people who employed these guys to come and manage the affairs of this country.
We voted for them.
You employed them, is that not it?
That's it.
You gave them the mandate, and that's why I said you were part.
I'm saying
you were part. If they are messing up today, why do you want to bring NDC into this picture? And you are not saying NDC MPP. That story must be stopped. We will not allow that story to go on. You don't employ people who are clueless into office. They've messed everything up. Tell me I'm not doing so well when you mention MPP name. Tell me I'm not doing so I am doing so I am no say MPP ka home. Why do you want to bring in NDC into this disaster? This failure. Nothing will wash you. Meaning, Ghana for come ebu. Sir, these Pharisees to buy any display now for person muyan. It will not work this time around. Obia feeling gadochi. People have seen the failure, the monumental failure. People have seen the difference between lies and truth. People have seen packaging. Look, let's come into admission that we've been found fool. Let's admit that these guys were smart enough to package these key soaps as smartphones and sold to us. We have come to realize that they have been unmasked. Let's agree that. Then we move forward so we can build our country. Sometimes I am one say those who are not into active politics, Just because they are deep, they feel that look, they belong to this tradition. They belong to this failed tradition. They are not bold to look into their face and tell them, look, you have been unmasked. Kaka motobina na mudi shamo nim a mudi dada ye yi kaka motobino. She say ya hu nim say munie. And your face is drawn with crass incompetence. Can't you see it? You want Chris Dugan to tell you?
But as a Chris.
Who kumasa odro nyina mo it is saying.
But as a Chris Dugan, a member of the NDC National Communications Committee. George, yes, started from President Anamotu Awotu about illegal mining. The near Baba share the retreatment of say Okotomomuye illegal mining shoot and kill by First Deputy Speaker of Parliament. Yet we are boxing in together.
Martiminia.
Still about illegal mining.
Say Kasa, we need to be very factual.
Okay.
Only I have friends who did a research about Upper West.
Okay.
On illegal mining, Galamsey.
Okay.
Me say Hefa, Upper West. And yet any cocoa growing area, Upper West. Na omo ye omo research ni wie no na omo conclude say so call Upper West omo research ni DNA or socio demographic factors affecting artisanal and small scale mining galamsey operations in Ghana, but specifically done in Upper West. And omo ka say so call any galamsey community bia we in 400 emu 69 out of the 100 omo nyina galamsey, in fact 69.6 it bit make say 70 people galamsey. This offer bibisa na a chair say galamsey a very pandemic. A wura ye societal fabric no. Adia a societal fabric no and started 2008. That's one thing we should note clear. Even under NDC, Obekaya 1st of December 2011, you were Jonathan Mills. Or no compo make a statement on galamsey because there were a lot of chamfine on the Brim River. Then the Brim River, Ebabe say. And so in Chester make Casane Chester galamsey cost no MPP for your foaso, there be that. Sebi, Ukotu for a team of qua, Nancy Omu Ahimfunu demonstrate against an NDC chairman or area muho, which have been published, were published on modern Ghana. So what I say, on any crop for no more destroy 50-acre land. Among Crofako to Mukrompo Mako, Omu year demonstration April this year. And MPP chairman Omu Yetiano. Galamsey ya dear. Say yes you. This a wo galamsey you. Say wo and so the partisan politics boom. Na nyunya started so the partisan politics boom say MPP na ma kire say under Yera John Dramani Mahama it was west off. In fact letter we say for Troy Ghana water for Troy no in September say in so hu be den no. Oko 17th March 2014 letter Omotroy the same by the same central region letter Omotroy na the same, the only difference date Omosesano there won't be the same into galamsey the nye and started. That is the first thing you should note. Na sebio accident the yembo NDC for edin wa bra obi di the presidency ato line ne so no waka say wa ban galamsey for 2 years na bi mu nam pit to pit senior yes omo nam community o omo nam pit to pit make am be capital bi o galamsey bi anim omo nam pit to pit no mo campaign system mo to aba ne maye ne ye ba ye de be mo maye enanu ya just last week the same group of people me and this for now are both even sit on one of your sister stations bibintim be boom with e dey two so almost san kwa repeat the same thing
because
UTV kokubu ahin on UTV pandemic UTV kokubu ahin the video is here
okay
all dey na num say or san so kwa ye bie because ba ko na okoye ye no emma NDC for nya a lot of vote into ono kokubu ahin into obesan kwa ye bie the video what you say video no ha say bi okoyin for say so me
team now say was that video now then we will play it we will play that video
utumra na watch
and we say yem kwa na have a discussion
yes utumra
county me say na team no na team no Adom yetimi abosa video
utumra panyimfo say utumra na watch resie okubu ahen sama oti UTV just last week asama na work no and it is nuanum NDC for wa bra ye hu ne say national kanker ye hu ne say national problem tie wo say ye solve no omo won kran a omo wode omo ka no mudu nkrase so a omo wode omo ka se bi okọ hunu nsuo no wa atifi no akogina na afo abi sase hwan mo na hunu nsuo no hwan na wo ye na dankwa daada adwe hwan na wo de ye no that is the NDC for you de omo gina nkran haika a omo hye nkrofo chi say yenye demonstration yenye say
omo ko nkura na se a omo wo de omo ka this is a pictographical a video nyese bi obi na efonfom de ahye na no ono na tena ho no na oka na sa presenter no so kwa na me di ne ho ya say on put it to a test say asema wo kan nti wa wo gidi say fa kwam so no gina ho na oka so what ya say yen MPP for de say bi o de enimi ne say ye dwen Ghana ho de enimi ne say Ghana nkoso e na da yakoma so sebi yewura na na de kwakufu ado measures na wo de etu ja no on sa research na bi di ma on proposal na o de buy no o mo say pesi etu anu na ye be adopt a community led approach now. The first thing I was say I was see declare your water bodies ni nyina so mo ye red zone. Okay,
fache me eti Sebeka say production team led by Kofi Ampadu. Listo Okojo Fojo Asantua Jessica omo nyina be download video no. Na ya show na ma for it be ahwe be
me su tumra no wa chiresie enye se ye kasa keke oh yes almost say yen declare nsuo ni nyina as a red zone.
Yeah.
So declare as a red zone it means a security zone.
Okay.
Say security zone obi ko nsuo no so akwa ya de a I so nya permission.
Sure.
Untimi ko nsuo bi aso. That is the first thing. And the second thing also Akufo do so President Akasa say I was say some mining law na may kwan say yen explore in the forest reserve no. I was say a withdraw. And the third one all ye we say no say was say oni ahemfo ni nyina issues me catch say a community led approach.
Yeah.
It so oni obi adi nkomo na afi so was say yen kasa nche yen nuanum ye a omonam a omo kasa omo de omama galamsey na kwaso omama galamsey kona ye den no ye ne omo nkasa na omo nya de omo ka no de omo tena omo ko hunu nso na ni wa ha na omo asa ko gina omo nya de omo kasa etimi ye sa na ma ni nyina aboma e na be ma se bio galamsey na ye den akofe
enti say obi am sign galamsey pact
sanet here because we nim so wutie ye na tam okwa Memphis Central
yeah
so wutie no wutie asem okai ene de omo tena nkran ha kan the same say nyepe
I don't think omo say
omo tin kran omo say galamsey nye MPP na di galamsey aba yemba ni galamsey ye stop obi am mo nye mining so we responsible mining no so we responsible mining no omo si mo obi anye nso na nkrofo omo ko do pit hono ma no masasa o ma no ye de ba MPP for na se mo nye galamsey omo chichi mu gum ye de ba mo aye ye de ba Tony Obin kwa na gina hai wona ba obeda mu nyina ama no obehwe no make sure say galamsey am ye obi akwa ntimi fa na nsanka omo de omo ka kire omo no na so kasa asem we kire omo na so omo de omo hu jim na omo ye a uwi asan be gina ha no say e na galamsey na we mu na ye.
How did the success of this second war against galamsey?
On say me can say me catch say galamsey fight have to be community led. On say soldier for now or deploy no or more specific instruction. There are two operations going on. Operation Halt and after no a DIPAC assessment of their communities. These are two things going on. Operation Halt and they almost say identify river bodies be. Okay. Birim, Tano, Pra, a red zone or more age region for the next 3 months to make sure so be no. And a DIPAC assessment and they say what police ni bia what district bia DCB or district bia say bi nkrofo na mo ye won so unim dada you be be catch ro unim dada ye nyina nim star at the start
but we nim dada you see
so we should start engaging them one say
George when the fact me there's a challenge sa police for we nyina wa na awo the same area na ye kan for about 7-8 years we use 7-8 years because we are talking about this administration it be all more than that. Sa police na waye nhwehan ama galamsey akoso to the extent say enyinam police station backyard
metie say na mineral commission boss na kaso report sa
so it just catch them say the same police commander no the same police officers no enkwahwem yentu enyinam police station galamsey asia resource be na Sabeka
de wo kan udika on say ukọ South Africa on almost so sa galamsey omo face a big issue power ho ukudu ho omo no they don't even attack their minister for environment omo attack omo friend the minister of police IGP omo friend the minister of police omo attack no in fact I think that in December last year a woman maybe try question ko be shoot omo minister of police no because I say wa hwenhwe ha ma sa na ma na ekoso and no because obi command ni wonsuo ma mineral commission act no eda ho clear say ye do ye man ni wonsuo so obi man ni wonsuo ma nye obi na so be catch police ni say wo chi ni pakro no the person is already committing an offense. I was so kwakwachi no. Until sometimes yet na say na ye the blame na so ana ye the blame na be ministry which have no security attachment. Ni ejai police for now who are supposed to ensure law enforcement no. Ni ejai oma udika. And correct because
but it's the same thing yasa bamu.
But say the end of
say catch say sanko for na yensa fa dwumadi ne show mo sa. And the man forward doubt kakra wo the second fight against them.
One fan share security agencies in some harm not the best show.
The same people in the same area. Supervising the thing no matter now for 7 years.
You say they as I talk to you now, the last 7 years, na police said no menkan so minimum na nyina na wo debi so. It's your call retirement. Things have changed a bit. The woman nyina say what we should be bottom line is say yeah it community mo ho no. Ye ni nim nkofo na o mo wo nsuo no so no. We should better advise them. I just give you an example of Bia West.
Yeah.
So community ni nyina decide say ye person obi be call Bia so. Akwakoye e de ne champion akosi so a obi no betimi de ne champion akwakosi Bia no so. So what you said. Enti no wa bra security for no e fa nsuo no so and making sure say mo obi an koso ye soldier for no. Omo yo mo operation halt no. Sa na ya shed pack for no so omo engage miners no already no small scale miners, some of your responsible miners have been moving round to round. Omo check your members no say wo ye mine na I was say wunya de a e friend resettlement dam. A wo pompi nsuo na e be kwakwa gum. Na kogu nsutini bia mu. Omo start omo call omo various microphone to ensure say resettlement dam no omo se omo nye no. Omo aye. So omo anye ne sa omo bepam omo nyina afi nsuo ni nchen. Nso omo tina ho no so omo hohoro a e de be se be gu nsuo no. Menim say wo check ya last month me Dr. Tony Obin. I was speaking on for the MPP on Galamsey, not speaking on for the NDC on the Galamsey. They will show us a video. Video no the woman in say we say oko nyinamni baby a bi makofa gravels no mo tifie no mo wash. Omo men so bia o, but mo wash a nso ne tene saa e de be o gotem. If you gotem me ba kodu na e ba kogu nsitini mu. Na che say e de say na say. And now, I want to put on record. I engage one of the professors. We say, see, our medical community needs to come clear on the exact effect of Galamsey. On say, when you move in commoner or when you move, you will be on catch or say, and obi ko wo ye Galamsey site near home metals and then the manema on the body mo. Opa biso almost say metal bend ye trace to Galamsey site, mercury. Mercury, water intolerant. Into a gun shuma na akọ asie. Unless I be akodi. Cyanide, and then as if for no more tracy in people no are not traceable to Galamsey site. Do you know where when my dear your cars na you use oil na you use no? It could a lot of harmful oil. We are busy and say where do our mechanics or dispose of oil? They be say
so could change your oil.
You be so baby dispose of oil or more fit for home baby because in so turn for more a one of my hore go hin. You be say and I win another back over maybe we are crying say so far we jadama and say mom me list or tafa or offer we jadam who say in so 10 green unity 10 green green simply means there's a lot of nitrogen in the water into plant growth. It means human waste now human waste will ensure a lot of air activated carbons are being here to purify the water for people to drink. So the approach now here can Galamsey and as should not only be limited to the Galamsey as it is, but we should rather be looking at the entire environmental act of our people. Say all these things are affecting the water. Mr. Opa, you are Ghana water for what is here. Ghana water for almost turbidity levels. No, one of them Ghana Water Resource Commission because I don't think they have the capacity to do. Who could do is here a number of we see on being here activated carbons on being here they purify Sanshune or Wejadam no. It's almost the same as the way purify Sanshune or I mean fina almost say stability levels now because of human waste.
George, a member of the NPP National Communications. This week then Kwaku Boy, a former Deputy National Communications Officer, Edema NDC Amioku, as my son Kotuja, Ewo UTV. Yes, you're in the right here.
Nasamako. Ako kasa chere wo mama befia beto aba mining site organ na in 2020 dan na meeting am ye okunu okote kokubo ha adwuma okoye no site mining site no enya adwuma keto ana no na mo mu rutu ye na mining site nya almost all the mining site nya mo rutu e adwuma me koye ye
okay so that's Kwaku why a former Deputy National Communications Officer Edema NDC Chris.
You see, me I am the same about video.
Okay.
Ejuma me koye. Also oko 2 galamsey, and now oko 2 mufu. Ejuma me koye. The man has not said it openly. And I mean,
okay.
Said, I will not like this, and I cannot tolerate this. With all due respect. Enti, sir, Obi Teha, and how what na TV ni radio say, Obi said, "Mama, it means a galamsey. Eti for a wa ujejiriji na ya beje so." You see, let me tell you something. Sa argument ana NDC for na galamsey, NDC for so galamsey no. Esi your own regional minister title Glover, but na fie ha ya. Mun fide to ya nya baby. Admit say mu MPP for na galamsey fight na difficult because mu ya galamsey. And you say Kokubo ahinka say okoye galamsey o. But your regional minister, Akufo-Addo's minister, MPP minister, that was Glover for Greater Accra. Etina habibi aminu TCC. What say? What admit say? Eyemu MPP for na galamsey. And it na galamsey fight no. Ayedin. So this changing goalposts no. See. Obia who say galamsey. You say you want to fight galamsey, and galamsey has fought you back because of your behavior. Sure. Daily Guide. This is a very ridiculous statement they've made.
Are they?
Very, very ridiculous.
Are they?
Say, Akufo-Addo had declared war against war on galamsey. How many times? How many times? Yeni Krumha. Is it not this same man who said, me presidency krampo atuho say ma fight galamsey? Ekwesi say
they didn't suffer.
Obia nim say President Akufo-Addo, apart from being the president of the republic no, was our Juma me no. President Akufo-Addo is the PRO for Akunta mining.
Oh, there be. Enyano kre.
Bisa Adom man ka say enyano kre. No, you should ask me why. Please. Okay, that's your opinion. That's your opinion, and I will tell you why I say it's a PRO. You work from her. Oh, please, can you let me flow?
Okay, so we
are you saying say na ma onu tina aka na enyano kre?
It say wo mo enyano kre.
No, to you. To you enyano kre, but I will back what I said.
Unim say enyano kre.
Why is it not true?
Unim say enyano kre.
To ask me why am I saying that?
It's not about me asking you.
Oh, please, don't gag me with this.
I'm not gagging you, Debbie.
Okay, to enyano kre by T40. Can I flow? Why you the PRO for Akunta mining? Why? Because you work from her. Mina commission for ever out. I release issue statement say Akunta mining any requisite documents so may mining our water bodies and our forestry. Our minister ama minister no ankasa abudina po eba see so say adwuma Akunta mining ya no illegal mining because your mom nkrata say omunkoye mining bibia omuye. It's a mining company yes sir. Omuni spokesperson were ho. They were quiet. President Nankasa ba out openly ever responding to the minister Amina Commission said Akunta mining is not doing illegal mining. As of the time he was speaking. Me say, why should he come to respond? Is the committee not there? Company no anyhow. I am just telling you why I said he's a PRO. You go Wutiwe Multi TV, Adom TV, ya bom subo. Ya bo Adom TV subo say na muye. Yeah. Anya mu PRO na be response eduma mu say ye na nya sa na ye. And are you telling me that someone who nim for a fact? How will I know? Crazy people so nim for a fact say asem ye kan afa multimedia wonya no. How will I know? Now you have opportunity to stand there. You won't say it. Do I because here? You want to stay neutral. Do I work here? Do I work here? Because if you have the opportunity to know. Say company no, company we know. Drum bi omu katashi shabi wo so. Ejum anomo amutu no etiemra. Na make Dugan say me be respond say Debbie. How will I know? If you have the opportunity to know. What opportunity will I have apart from working with you? What other opportunity? Tell me what other opportunity me Chris Dugan will have to know about your actions and inactions, your activities, our company. If I'm not working with you, why are we trying to cover certain things? What opportunity? Maybe some opportunity buying and to be responding to issues pertaining Adom TV. When I'm not working here, for the fact that I come to sit here today, I know everything here.
There will be answers.
I'm part of you.
There will be answers.
Yes.
That's what I say. If you have the opportunity
to president, know. For the fact that you are a president and a company, a registered company doing money, whatever the company is doing, you cannot be in position to know everything. You are not a board member. Except you are telling me President Akufo-Addo is a board member of Akunta Mining. Didn't the company have leadership? Our company, Omuni leadership. Omuni CEO, Omuni management. Akunta Mining management. And the management na no beyond the response say, me na commission minister. Illegal mining na musi ye no. Enye na ye. It has to take president to come and tell the whole public say, I do not know illegal man. If you know a PRO, who is he? These are facts. President Akufo-Addo is the PRO for Akunta Mining because of what he did, his conduct. And now Ghana Water Company, it's now no, and the NDC almost declares a look, some of these things will not wash. And the NDC, Labor Union, and sorry, Jina say yes, you need say Ebruso.
Does it mean something? Say
Miba, citizens MPA out. Kali Bishop Conference. Enya adia omuye nema ye hunda. And get it clear. Apart from farming, no, mining is one of the oldest work on the land. So those who are so naive want to create impression say na NDC wo hono, na Galamsey wo hono. And the NDC people were doing mining.
People were not doing Galamsey.
People were doing mining.
People were not doing Galamsey.
Look, I'm saying that even if they were doing Galamsey, because of the steps, the pragmatic steps government was taking. Na engines and who to say
ne be there.
Aya amusara say under NDC na Galamsey to omukwashi won to me mfidi.
Okay.
Na eye there na mfidi ni ye there. If they were not doing Galamsey, why was the machines bent? Why was the excavators bent? What you are saying?
Okay.
Menu nyina ambeji atum say, we are building a country.
Yeah.
We should stop the hypocrisy and body politics.
Obi anya hypocrite.
Menu nyina ambeji atum say, under President Mahama and President Mills, Obi incited government appointee initiating with Galamseyers. Eji Adamwade ekanhwe. Me who say you can't corruption sika. First time I can't corruption sika. Free and such say as soon and so ye was under Akufo-Addo on this Galamsey Charles BC. What's what to me now what Tracy? Me Tracy Charles BC can Galamsey sika corrupt Galamsey money. Free in Sakurum ha. What happened to
why did corrupt Galamsey money come out?
Anya Galamsey did you see it?
Why?
Me say Anya Galamsey you mean there was no video asset? You didn't want something asset?
Why they saw the Galamsey sika come out Charles BC?
What was those people doing? Do you know the people listen to me? Do you know why he had the opportunity to take that money?
Why?
Now you deny your committee. Now you see you fighting Galamsey. No, your secretary was so.
Yes.
Until Galamsey decide to meet him and bribe him because he's corrupt.
Galamsey is bay.
How will I know their names? But you saw it in a video that he took money. Why? Or maybe more corruption. I mean, besides saying Nipani decide. No, I'm coming. When they
video now can. The video gave narration say. Omono ko say they want to do mining.
Info.
Omon ko tena dem na so be so bomudin. Omono ko so be so me mining. As part of it no modi omusika.
Oh, just hold on there. Hold on there. With all due respect. Who quiet mining then your body so? Why do you bribe people? Why were they bribing him?
No, me stop you from Sikanom de no. But classifying as Galamsey for
and I mean, if it is not Galamsey, if you are going to do your proper mining, you have the requisite documents. Why must I go and pay money to somebody? You answer this question. A due process. Man, me want company, me want crata. Me koye proper mining. I don't know what me to scam obi.
It's because also this command for what you say galamsey.
What they are going to do is illegalities. So they have to close the person they put in there to watch the illegal activities.
That's your interpretation. That's your interpretation.
Okay. Obianim, that is fact. 2. Sure. And now, Omubaye galamsey NDC 4 year kwakubwa himu. Mubo tape no one can't say okoye galamsey. I'm equally going to mention names.
Okay.
Your women's organizer, Kejamfua, MPP National Women Organizer. Galamsey Tiashinim excavators. If she wasn't doing galamsey, then she excavators. And if you are not doing galamsey na excavators, she no more than what's it. You think you don't have the legal rights? And no more no 2 years. Mo national chairman, regional chairman, won't to me. Apart from say what display gold with impunity. The source of gold, everything. All this, your work, the daughter from Pong report to party ni here sika do. Party ni here sika. There have been leaked tapes. The man himself came up openly and said, look, at a point Gabo Chidaku, the president nephew, have to call him as minister in charge, intervening for galamseyers. Where NDC Neka, Krizuga Neka. About the graphics or behind himself, Uka Galamsey, it is NPP. It is not something that we should entertain. Galamsey corruption is more than, it's like mass murder. But your people use it to enrich themselves.
Galamsey and corruption.
It is a mass murder. Now, Master Galamsey, you may think you are here. Who are with your for baby? I had the Albert to quiet. Who took one with you? Now, who no baby and so now you're polluted. I wouldn't never your body. It's a serious matter.
How would your mama deal with galamsey?
Milanda Amakacho, the solutions we have. The NDC have stated even in our manifesto.
Sir.
Measures I did, Biba. Mammy expose when we.
Okay. But your Babelandia.
If I would expose them without even outlining, it is good because we are coming and we'll outline what we are coming.
Giving us an alternative party.
Maybe you have to chrome her. And now, Baumia bar out. Another expose of a liar. This Alagio came out and said, oh, what no bar? Excavators now, yes, she no. One back when my she
yeah.
Didn't he say so? And that the same about me or vice president, yes, it's fine. Now, Miss Abby says, excavate sample, one quack and quasiaga, that's fine. That's why I describe this headline as ridiculous. Say, Omashi, 18 champagne. For that matter, Ghanaians should be hopeful, say, fight with Bayeduma. And quasiaga. The only solution to fight galamsey is to vote the galamseyers out. Galamseyers cannot fight galamsey.
It is your mama bar.
Me ba, you are interested, I'll give you answer. Okay. What your mama will do.
Okay.
Galamseyers cannot fight galamsey.
Okay.
You cannot put these galamseyers in office and ask them to go and fight galamsey. Omo Minister, you are asking President Akufo-Addo, who knows all the galamsey kingpins. How will he fight them? A robber who fight a robber. The solution is to kick these people out. Ghana for galamseyers na minus so. When we vote galamseyers out, we are free. That is the only solution. President Mama say waba abemoa. Say we are NDC chairman. To say won to me. Say we are MPP NDC woman organizer. To say ke Janfua. Nobody will give you the chance to misbehave. Gold bond no. One ankasa it will be a committee or one president never to make sure say obia obey gold no. Gold mining no. We make sure say you have requisite documents and those who will be mining even legal will be properly regulated.
And that your mama.
And that your mama.
The next coming.
That is the next coming of the mama. No party official will get opportunity to engage yourself. And and the illegality and the president taking back the powers of government. And I was saying,
and no, see, John Mahama is an alternative for our election.
He's the next president.
We are not going to see any party executive or NDC official in mining. In mining.
No.
In mining.
Nobody will give you that chance.
In mining.
Nobody will give you that chance.
Chris,
unless your company is registered.
Chris,
with the document.
Yeah, but also go see Adom TV.
You will not get that with the mama.
Yeah,